Wow guys, welcome back to another video guys. Today I'm gonna use some apple, ginger, celery and fennel to make a drink. And guys, the fennel is very good. It helps with your skin. It's a powerhouse. It has a powerhouse health benefit. That's this fennel. For those who don't know it. And you know, when we were growing up, we have Fennel that they used to use. It smells just the same, because I'm rubbing it up in my hand and you can smell it. That's a little. I'm gonna put it down on the apple so you can see it. So this is what I was rubbing up and you could smell it. So guys, it helps also to balance the blood sugar level and lessen mucus in the body. So guys, I'm gonna wash my ingredients and come back to you and we'll start the process of making the juice. So guys, I've washed everything and we are gonna cut our celery. I might use the leaves or I might not. I'm going to put them aside until I think of what I'm going to do, if I'm going to use it or not. So, we are not going to peel our apples either. I always like to cut them in half. And today we are using some ripe apples. And we're going to use a smaller knife to just take out the middle. I'm doing it the old-fashioned way today. I'm not using my apple corer. And this is going to make a very refreshing drink. For those who don't know what Fennel does, just Google it and I will leave some things in the description for you to read. This drink is going to help to boost mental clarity. And back in the days, they used to use fennel for depression and all of that. So I think everyone should do their own research. And don't forget to check with your doctor if you're on any medication. But I'm not on any medication because I'm always doing these healthy stuff. I don't wait until something happens to me. So what you should do is check with your doctor to make sure. You know, I don't know. I've never heard of apple can harm someone or if they are on medication, but still check. It's good to find out. It's good to do your own research, guys. And these apples are so juicy. And today I am going to be using my Hoovin Revel A30 to make this drink. I'm still trying to get used to the optimum 6,000 extra large big mouth juicer. So I'm back using my proving. That's a good job anyway, but I love my cooling. So now we are going to cut this. And guys, I'm going to use half of it. It smells nice. This smell and the ginger smell, wow. There's a core that is very tough in the middle. And I'm going to use every bit of it. I think I'm going to use this a little bit of celery leaves, just to give my drink that green look. So guys, this is it. We're gonna start our juicing now. So guys, I have finished set up my area, so let's start to add everything in the juicer. So we are going to start by putting in some fennel, ginger, and we are going to turn on our juicer. I'm going to put a piece of apple in and we're going to start, guys. So guys, our mixing bowl is empty at the moment, but slowly everything is getting in there. And I can tell you something, guys, eating fennel and its seeds, because they have seeds, benefit the heart health, guys. So it is very good for you. The fiber, the potassium, folate, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and all these guys, or you can find them in fennel. So keep that in mind and do your own research. So we're gonna let our juice, as the mixing bowl is almost full, so just a couple more spin and we will let our juice out. Guys, we are going to let out our first batch of juice. There you go, guys. For those who have blood pressure and want to prevent diabetic, the fennel is very good. So I use the apple as a sweetener at all times. So guys, let's go into the second batch. So our main ingredients today is the fennel, and it decreases the risk of heart disease as it helps reduce the total amount of cholesterol in the blood. So that is why this is so super good for someone to try. Phosphate, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K contained in fennel. It contributes to building and maintaining bone structure and strength. Now guys, look at the juice. Look how nice it is. So we have a little quarter of the mixing bowl. We're not half yet, so let's keep going guys. And an apple a day keep the doctor away. I always use apple to sweeten my drinks. I do not use sugar. Someone last week asked in the comment section why I use apple. This is why I use apple. I don't use sugar, and the apple helps to make the drink. Even if you're making a beetroot drink, use apple. So unless you want to put sugar in it, but not me. So let's pop some celery in. And you know that celery helps lower the blood pressure also. So it's a nice combination. Selenium is a mineral in fennel, which I can remember. It contributes to liver enzyme function and helps detoxify some cancer-causing compound in our bodies. So guys, look at how the drink is coming on nicely. We are almost at a full mixing bowl. Selenium can also prevent inflammation and decrease tumor growth rates. So guys, do your own research. We are almost at our full mixing bowl. So let's keep going. I'll pop some fennel in, small pieces. So guys, choline is a very important and versatile nutrient found in fennel. It helps with sleep, muscle movement, and help with memory. Fennel also boosts energy guys, so if you're feeling a bit no energy in the body, just make this juice. But do your own research. So guys, we are going to let out our second batch of juice. Here we go. Isn't this looking refreshing and nice? So guys, we have a small amount leave in our glass bowl. Let me show you. This is what we have left, so we're gonna use it up. So we're gonna just use up the small amount, as I said before. And guys, I can tell you this drink is so nice. I've made it, I'm ready, you know. And I tell you, I had to come with it. I made funnel juice already on this channel, but not with these ingredients. So I do my research and try and feed my gut. And as I said before, you don't have to throw away the trash. You can use this to do smoothie with almond milk, yogurt, and a little honey. Whatever you want to make. Put banana in it. You just do your thing and it will work guys. It will do wonders for your gut. And guys, I've added some ginger, and ginger lower the risk of chronic disease, heart disease, diabetic, and much more. So this drink is super powerful. So let's pop in the rest of the celery, which you all know it lowers blood pressure, and a few pieces of fennel. Here you go. So it's just a little bit of things that left over ingredients, so we're going to use that, and I cannot let it out because it will overflow the jug. So I'm just making this to top up my glass when I serve. And guys, the trash is so nice. I love using them to make smoothie. Look at that in my hand. Very nice. So guys, I am not going to let this out. I'm going to let it remain in the mixing bowl, and I'm going to serve this. So guys, let's see if I can decorate a different way this week. Yes, this is standing up. It's nice. So we are going to fill one glass up. However, I'm gonna get the rest of juice out of the mixing bowl and then finish filling up that glass. So guys, I've put some more juice in the jug, so now we're gonna have enough. That is it, guys. And we're gonna put our straws in. This is going to be the end of the video for this week, guys. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and share with a friend. See you in the next video. Hope you all will try and make this healthy fennel drink. It is so refreshing. You taste the kick of it in it, and the ginger, oh my god, just top it off. So guys, hope you all will try this drink. Leave a comment, do your research, guys, and as always, I read all your comments and I will try and come with something new each week. I will try my best. It's challenging, but I do my research and try to come. So have a good weekend, everybody. See you in the next video. Bye.